Welcome to the HAL APS channel. In this video you will see how to define a resources work calendar for the second shift, working from 1400 hours to 2200 hours. Calendars are a very important functionality of HAL APS. HAL allows you to define an infinite number of calendars for a single resource group, department, or plant. Each calendar has its own name, priority, and range of dates. Calendars can apply to resources working in different time zones or accepting a different calendar of holidays and non-working days. On the Gantt chart, we see a flattened calendar that is the resultant of all calendars. In HAL APS, we can define the availability or unavailability of a resource. Each resource, without exception, has its own calendar. A resource can inherit a calendar common to a resource group, department, or plant. Which one is dominant determines the calendar priority. Due to the very extensive calendar mechanisms, we prefer to define them in HAL APS, with the exception of employee absence calendars, the natural source of which is the HR system. To define the second shift calendar, which repeats weekly from Monday to Friday, we need to define the unavailability line from 0 o'clock to 1400 hours. Then, we need to define the second unavailability line from 2200 hours to 0 o'clock. The calendar defined in this way should be connected to a single resource, several resources, a group of resources, a department, a factory. The calendar can be connected to a supplier, a subcontractor, or any participant in the supply chain. The calendar is the place where we define planned downtimes related to machine repairs, tool regeneration, or employee holidays. It is a very flexible mechanism, literally 3 clicks are enough. The scheduling operation performs thousands of queries to the database to determine the resource availability times. This information is stored in an ultra-fast in-memory database. On the chart, the calendar unavailability area will be visible as a pink field. This color is freely definable. Note that the schedule requires repair because the operations are currently in the unavailability area. So let's start scheduling and see if the operations will be in the availability area. Calendars are a very powerful HAL APS weapon. Simply no limit. For more information on HAL APS, including our list pricing, please visit the HAL APS web page. If you're looking to learn more about using HAL APS, our YouTube channel offers a vast selection of tutorial videos.